Welcome back to Mael's Luxury Auto. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup truck walks that delicate line between past and future. It borrows its soul from the advanced design era trucks built after World War II. The same Chevy 3100s from 1947 to 1955 celebrated for their robust build, charming rounded fenders, wide hoods, simple yet purposeful lines and utilitarian spirit. This imagined 2026 version reinterprets that character with modern cues, LED lighting, sleek glass, maybe flush panels, but still unmistakably 3100 in proportion and attitude. From the front, you'd expect the classic Chevrolet grille style, perhaps updated, maybe with a smoother surround, but retaining wide, vertical presence. The curved windshield, one of the defining design changes in the original 3100's later years, might be reimagined with panoramic glass stretching gracefully into the A-pillars. The fenders, bulbous and proud, would be slimmed just enough to allow contemporary wheel sizes, perhaps wrapped in modern tires but styled in vintage fashion. The bed would be long and functional, maybe offering multiple configurations: short bed, long bed, fleetside, stepside, and possibly hidden conveniences, tie-downs, lighting, maybe even power ports or a modular storage setup. Inside, leather or leather look upholstery with retro stitching, a bench seat or split bench evoking old-school comfort, while modern comfort and tech would not be an afterthought. Infotainment might be hidden in classic-style dials or behind period-correct bezels. Safety features like airbags, electronic stability, modern brakes, and driver assist systems quietly integrated. The sound system, climate control, connectivity, Bluetooth, USB-C, perhaps wireless charging, would give comfort without breaking the vintage illusion. Under the skin, the powertrain could go several directions. One version might preserve V8 nostalgia with a modern small block engine, tuned for efficiency and low emissions, perhaps paired with an automatic or dual-clutch transmission. Another more forward-looking version might be hybrid or fully electric, delivering instant torque, zero emissions, silent cruising, but dressed up in a package that sounds, feels, and looks appropriately vintage when you want it to. Suspension might be adaptive, to soften out rough roads yet firm up for highway speed. Brakes would be disc all around, ABS, modern safety. Performance would balance heritage with usability. The original 3100s weren't speed demons, they were workhorses. They had inline-6 motors, 216 cu in, later 235 cu in, 261 cu in, modest horsepower, in the 90 to 120 HP region in many cases, simple 3 or 4-speed transmission, manual steering, and rear-wheel drive. In 2026, you'd expect something capable of highway cruise, maybe 0 to 60 times competitive, towing capacity, payloads that meet modern expectations for a mid-sized pickup, yet still holding enough weight and feel to satisfy fans of the heavy, substantial ride of classic trucks. A 2026 3100 would almost surely sell in multiple trim levels: a base, heritage, edition for purists, a resto mod, version with upgraded suspension, more power, maybe off-road features, a luxury version with more leather, wood inlays, high-end tech, and perhaps a utility version focused on work functionality. Color palettes would include vintage two-tones, pastel glosses, chrome accents, and perhaps aged patina or barn find finish options, tapping into collector culture. Badging would include the 3100 emblem in period-correct fonts, possibly with subtle modern reinterpretations. Price would be premium. Heritage itself carries cost. Quality materials, low-volume design embellishments, and modern powertrains add up. If Chevy were to produce something like this, buyers might be paying something. In the luxury pickup or specialist, RetroTruck, market range. Maintenance, service, parts would need to be accessible, else the charm fades fast. Enthusiasts would want reproduction body panels, trim pieces, historically correct details. Chevy would probably also lean into customization, accessories, wheels, interior options, kits for those who want more vintage than modern or vice versa. In a YouTube video about this imagined 2026 3100, you'd expect dramatic visuals, slow pans over chrome, close-ups of badges, fenders, interior stitches, contrasts between old photos of 1948 to 1955 3100s and the new model, sound clips comparing original engine noise or exhaust notes with modern engines or electrics hum, testing suspension over bumps, test drives showing comfort, braking, steering feel. Audience questions would revolve around how true to original it is, how comfortable, how reliable, how it handles in daily traffic, what the cost of ownership would be. Culturally, such a reimagined 2026 Chevrolet 3100 would signal something deeper than just another truck. It would be a nod to nostalgia, to craftsmanship, to design as identity, not just utility. It would appeal to those who love classic Americana, vintage lines, but don't want to give up today's safety, convenience, environmental concerns. It might even act as a halo vehicle for Chevrolet, something that connects legacy fans and new buyers who appreciate design and heritage. In the end, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup truck, real or imaginary, could be more than metal and rubber. It could be proof that design has memory, that style can be timeless, and that trucks aren't just tools, they carry stories. If Chevy ever built one true to the promise, you'd see spirit of the past rolling down modern roads, heavy with history, light with innovation.